Don't that feel good? Oh, that feels good. That feels good. That feels good.
When you do a little movie, you put it on the computer and send it to Jeff.
Yep.
Yeah. And then he downloads it for you to print them off or put them in a file.
We got a thing online YouTube. We have a channel on there where we can upload all our videos.
Oh, okay.
You remember when you went out there and saw some of the videos? Say hey to the camera, Savian.
Hey, look.
Say hey, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Wish you were here to eat some paper with me.